Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you 8 simple ways to stop Google Chrome from consuming so much memory on your computer. So let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure to check Chrome's Task Manager. This helps you identify which tabs or extensions are using up the most memory. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to More Tools, and then select Task Manager. Review the list of tabs, extensions, and processes. Select any high memory processes and click End Process to free up memory. Avoid ending any essential processes like browser or GPU. After ending any unnecessary tasks in Google Chrome, close Chrome's Task Manager, then click the puzzle icon in the top right corner and select Manage Extensions. Review all your extensions and disable any one you barely use. After disabling any unnecessary extensions, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to Settings. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. And in Time Range, select Last 4 weeks and click Delete Data. After clearing your browsing data, go to Performance, scroll down and turn Memory Saver on. After turning Memory Saver on, go to System and then you will see the option to continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. Turn this off and it will help you save memory. Leaving too many tabs open can also use a lot of memory in Chrome, so make sure to close any tabs that you no longer need. You can also install a lightweight extension like Auto Tab Discard to hibernate inactive tabs and free up RAM. Just click Add to Chrome and then review all the permissions, and if you're okay with them, click Add Extension. And if you ever want to uninstall it, just come back here and click Remove from Chrome. Finally, always make sure that Chrome is up to date because outdated versions of Chrome could have memory issues. So go to Settings and scroll down to About Chrome, and here it will tell you if Chrome is up to date or not. So those are 8 simple ways you can stop Google Chrome from consuming so much memory. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.